Hi, I'm LegoZilla. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to take an artistic shot in Lego photography. Here we have our figure, and we will also need some blow tack to hold the arms. First, you will need to think about posing, and what position that figure will be in. Then take your shot. Now, we need to edit our photo. I'm using Snapseed, but you can use whatever works best for you. It's important when taking a shot like this to have good lighting. You can either use a lamp, or edit your lighting in post. I'm editing it because I find that easier. You don't want the lighting to be too dull or too harsh. It's important to keep that in mind when editing. Now I'm using the healing tool to remove any bits of blue tack and harsh reflections. Then I think I'll add some text to the photo. And we're done. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed leave a like and subscribe if you want. See you next time.